What's the meaning of brutish? Brutish. Brutish.
Brutish. Brutish. The term brutish refers to behavior that is savage, uncivilized, or lacking in refinement. It can also describe a person who is cruel, insensitive, or emotionally unresponsive. People who behave in a brutish manner are often seen as primitive, aggressive, and lacking in social graces. This behavior can lead to negative consequences, such as damaged relationships, social isolation, and legal troubles. Furthermore, societies that condone or reward brutish behavior are likely to experience higher levels of violence, conflict, and instability. In summary, acting in a brutish manner can have detrimental effects on both individuals and society as a whole.